In a move that's turning heads across the tech world, Samsung USA has just rolled out what might be the best Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 deals yet, giving buyers massive discounts and free memory upgrades, all without needing to trade in their old devices. For years, Samsung fans have complained about having to exchange their older phones just to get a decent discount on the latest models. But this time, Samsung has flipped the script, literally. Whether you're into the compact, stylish Galaxy Z Flip 7 or the powerhouse multitasking Galaxy Z Fold 7, these deals bring record-breaking savings that make these premium foldables more accessible than ever before. In this video, we're diving deep into the numbers, exploring why these discounts matter, and why now might be the best time to join the foldable revolution. Let's get into it. Samsung has just made headlines again by launching what might be its most exciting and wallet-friendly promotion yet in the United States. And if you've been eyeing the Galaxy Z Flip 7 or the Galaxy Z Fold 7, this could be the moment you've been waiting for. That's right. Samsung USA has unleashed massive discounts and free memory upgrades on its latest foldable flagships. And the best part? You can claim these deals without any trade-in required. In a world where every major smartphone discount seems tied to complicated trading conditions or carrier lock-ins, Samsung's latest move feels refreshingly straightforward and incredibly generous. Let's break it down. Starting with the star of compact foldables, the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Normally priced at $1,219 for the 512GB variant, the Z Flip 7 is now available for just $849 when you select the no trade-in option. How is that possible? Samsung is combining two major offers, a $120 free memory upgrade and a $250 instant discount that applies automatically when you skip the trade-in program. That's a total savings of $370, making this one of the biggest direct price drops ever offered on a flip model in the US, without needing to give up another phone. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 already impressed the tech community with its elegant design, improved hinge durability, and brighter display. But now, with its pricing, it's more appealing than ever, both first-time foldable buyers and long-time Samsung fans who love a deal that actually feels like a deal. Meanwhile, if you're someone who prefers productivity and power over compact style, Samsung has something even more exciting for you. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, the brand's ultimate multitasking foldable beast. Originally retailing at $2,119 for the 512GB version, this premium device is now available for just $1,649, thanks to a $120 free memory upgrade plus a massive $350 instant discount. That's a total of $470 in savings, no trade-in strings attached. Think about it. A flagship foldable with two high-refresh AMOLED displays, S Pen support, an enhanced hinge, and top-tier Snapdragon performance, now available for nearly $1,000 less. It's not every day that you see flagship devices like these receive such deep discounts with zero commitments or carrier contracts. And considering Samsung's typical pricing strategy, this might truly be a once-in-a-year opportunity. Both the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 represent the cutting edge of smartphone innovation. The Z Flip 7 delivers style and portability in one compact design, featuring a large, vivid cover display that's perfect for quick replies, selfies, and widgets, now more functional than ever thanks to Samsung's software enhancements. The hinge feels more robust, the crease is less visible, and the overall user experience feels smoother and more refined. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 continues to dominate the productivity space with its massive inner display that transforms into a tablet-like experience in seconds. The multitasking capabilities have been fine-tuned to perfection, allowing you to open multiple apps side by side, drag and drop files effortlessly, and even take notes using the S Pen Fold Edition with near-zero latency. If you've ever wanted a device that can replace your phone, tablet, and even parts of your laptop workflow, the Z Fold 7 is it. And now, thanks to this deal, it's more attainable than ever. What's even better is that Samsung isn't just discounting these phones. It's also offering free storage upgrades, which effectively future-proofs your purchase. With mobile apps and high-resolution photos taking up more space than ever, jumping from 256GB to 512GB at no extra cost is a massive win. It ensures you have plenty of room for everything, from 4K videos and gaming data to entire app libraries, without worrying about running out of storage. This combination of discounts and free upgrades is something we rarely see from Samsung outside of launch events or major shopping holidays. It's also worth noting that these offers are available directly through Samsung's official online store in the USA, meaning there are no middlemen, no third-party markups, and no trading conditions hidden in fine print. The process is straightforward. Visit Samsung's website, choose the no trade-in option, and the discount apply automatically at checkout. You'll see the price of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 512 gigabytes drop to $849, and the Galaxy Z Fold 7 512 gigabytes fall to $1,649. Both prices already factoring in the free memory upgrade. The simplicity of this offer makes it especially appealing for those who want to buy outright without contracts or carrier locks. Now, let's talk about why these deals matter. Foldable smartphones have always carried a premium price tag, often putting them out of reach for many users who admire the technology but can't justify spending over $1,000 or $2,000. By lowering the barrier to entry and removing the trade-in requirement, Samsung is clearly aiming to make foldables more mainstream. This could mark a major shift in the market as more users get hands-on experience with foldable devices and see for themselves that they're not just futuristic novelties, they're genuinely useful. Both devices come with Samsung's latest One UI 7 and Android 15 experience, featuring enhanced continuity between displays, improved battery life management, and tighter integration with Galaxy Buds, watches, and tablets. The performance on both models is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, offering blazing fast multitasking and energy efficiency. Combine that with Samsung's commitment to 7 years of software and security updates, and you're getting a device that's built to last. If you've been hesitant to buy a foldable because of price, longevity, or software stability, this might be the best time to reconsider, because these deals check all the right boxes. Of course, there's one thing you need to know. These discounts are limited time offers, and Samsung has revealed exactly when they'll expire. That means if you're serious about grabbing one, you shouldn't wait too long. Historically, similar promotions have sold out quickly, especially for higher storage variants like the 512 gigabytes models. Once the promotional period ends, the prices are expected to revert to their original levels. So timing is key, whether you're upgrading from an older Galaxy phone or switching from another brand. This deal gives you flagship-level performance, cutting-edge innovation, and a premium build, all at one of the lowest prices ever for Samsung's foldable lineup. And let's not forget that both devices come with Samsung's trade-in flexibility, meaning if you still want to trade in your old phone, you can stack even more savings on top of these discounts. But even without that, the current pricing is phenomenal. The Galaxy Z Flip 7, with its pocketable size and fun design, is perfect for users who love combining fashion with function. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, on the other hand, remains the productivity king, ideal for professionals, creators, and anyone who wants more screen real estate in their pocket. Samsung's latest offer gives users a chance to pick their ideal foldable experience, style, or power at unbeatable prices. It's rare that we see such generous, no-strings-attached deals from major tech brands, but Samsung seems determined to expand its foldable audience ahead of the holiday season. With Apple still yet to release its first foldable iPhone, Samsung clearly wants to dominate this category and ensure that when people think foldable, they think Galaxy. So, if you've ever wanted to experience the future of smartphones, now is your moment. The combination of $370 off the Z Flip 7 and $470 off the Z Fold 7, plus free storage upgrades, makes this one of Samsung's most consumer-friendly deals in years. Don't miss out. These limited-time offers might not return anytime soon. If you've been holding out for the perfect time to buy a foldable, this is it. With no trade-in required, a free memory upgrade, and massive price cuts, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 have never been more affordable. Head to Samsung's official online store while these offers last, because once they're gone for good. Whether you want compact convenience or ultimate productivity, these foldables redefine what smartphones can do. And for more in-depth coverage on the latest tech deals, smartphone updates, and gadget leaks, don't forget to subscribe to TechVerse. where your tech journey becomes smarter, faster, and more exciting every single day.